Today we're going to teach something very basic, but also a very common problem people run into, sometimes because they're in a hurry or simply out of habit, when doing something as attaching an embroidery hoop on a HappyJapan machine. The correct way to place a hoop is by using the slanted edge that all hoops have. They all have a small bevel on the top part. This must go inside the metal plate on the machine's arms. When I push it, applying pressure forward, it should fit perfectly into the pins located on the sides. Once it clicks in, it is highly recommended, even if you're already an expert, to do a small movement to make sure it's properly locked in place. Because the mistake people make very often is that, due to rushing, they place the hoop and only one side clicks, while the other stays very close but not fully attached, see? It doesn't completely lock in, and then, when the machine starts working and moving, what happens? Either it locks in by itself, or it shifts. This causes your embroidery to have a misalignment that is often noticeable in your design, in your stitching, and it can result in poor quality. So, something as simple as not making sure the hoop is fully locked onto both pins can create a problem in your design and even ruin your garment. So it's recommended that once it locks in, you make a small movement to double check. And that's it. You can continue your production with no problems.